Hello friends, today I am going to tell you the preparations which are necessary for facing virtual interview. These are the points on the basis of my experience. So let us have a look. First preparation is that you should decide your gadget, whether you like to have mobile phone or a smartphone or laptop for facing this interview. My preference is that if possible go for the laptop has a number of advantages which I have experienced. So if it is possible, go for the laptop. Otherwise, if you don't have option, then the smartphone is the only option. Second is prepare your device. It is important that you install the needed app if you don't have, because nowadays many apps are being used. Zoom is one, Microsoft Team, and then Google Meet, etc., etc. There are number of apps, so it is necessary that you have installed this app on your device before the interview. Then you should ensure that you have proper internet connectivity, and it is technology, so it is not possible that we have 100% control over it, but we should try to arrange as much as possible so that we don't face disturbance during the time of interview. Then it is also necessary to ensure that there is proper battery charging of your device. If you require a power cable, arrange it, have a connection with the power plug so that there is no problem of your gadget getting discharged. It is equally important to decide your location at which you will sit and you will face your virtual interview. It is important that you are able to minimize the distractions. The distractions may come from your surroundings, so that you should try to anticipate and you should try to minimize. I can share you one instance. I was attending one webinar. In this webinar, the speaker was from a foreign country, and he is a well known expert. He was delivering his topic, but there was a barking noise of his pet dog, which was very difficult to control at that time. So such kind of situation you should try to anticipate, and you should try to minimize the distraction from your surroundings. Then it is equally important to choose a suitable background, because your background will come with your camera, and the background should be professionally suitable. It should not look awkward, it should not be a very home like environment. So it should be professionally suitable. Then it is important to have adequate lighting also, because there should be adequate lighting, sufficient lighting on your face, on your body, so that the proper image comes through the camera. Then it is important that you decide the angle of your screen, because this angle should be such that it captures a passport like photo or passport like video. So it must be pre-decided. Otherwise sometimes an awkward angle, it has awkward angle and it does not give a suitable video. Then I would suggest that you should avoid keeping the device handhold, because if you are using, say for example, mobile phone and you are keeping it in your hand, then chances are very high that it may shake, it may slip, and meanwhile it may be possible that the angle of the webcam comes so that it is towards the ceiling, and it looks very awkward. So you should try to control such kind of disturbances, and I would recommend that you should do rehearsal with the app before the interviews. What you can do is that you can arrange the meeting with your friend, and you can have interaction on that platform so that you become familiar with that platform. Then I would also suggest that you should keep your curriculum vitae and other supporting documents ready in your soft copy in a folder, and you are aware where these documents are, and you are in a position to share them if required so for the interview, then for that it is necessary that you know how to screen share them, so that practice is important. Then I would suggest that dressing professionally is equally important. It is not so that you are facing interview from your home, so you will not dress yourself professionally. You should do. And say for example, if tie is required, then you can put a tie also, because such kind of dress will give an impression that you are interested in the job, you have favorable attitude. Then I would recommend the use of earphone. It gives better connectivity. Listening will be easier, and your voice will also transfer very accurately. And it is technology based interview, so listening is equally important. You should try to give full attention towards the listening, so that there is no repetition, you are not asking the question again and again. Then try to make eye contact. No doubt that interviewer in person is not sitting before you, you have a screen before you, but you will assume as if you are facing a personal interview, and the interviewer is sitting before you, so you will have eye contact towards the webcam, so that you face that person properly, and you are able to make the eye contact. Then keeping the same assumption, you will have a smile on your face. Then as the interview starts, you will keep your video on, so that it becomes clear to the interviewer that you are present there. And I would suggest that you should keep yourself unmute, and you should keep yourself mute, and you should unmute yourself when you are asked to do so. Then it is very important that you should avoid shaking your body frequently, because like it may be possible when you are facing the personal interview, not the virtual interview, then hand gestures etc are taking place, and they may be considered as positive. But it is a limitation in the virtual interview, because if you are using too much of your hand gestures, if you are shaking your body, your head or etc, then it is not possible for the webcam to focus so minutely frequently, and then the disturbances start coming in communication, and proper communication will not take place. That will become one negative factor, so you should avoid. So these were a few points which were on the basis of my experience. I hope that you will like these points, you will get benefited by these points. If you think that I forgot some point, then try to write in comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and forward this video to the other persons also, so that others are also getting benefit. Thank you so much.